What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we are going to be exploring the most boring casino here on the Las Vegas Strip. The only thing that's actually worth it at this casino is their pool and their beach clubs, and ironically, they have 2 pools and 2 beach clubs. I feel like this casino is like self-aware that it's boring because the pool is immediately to the left as soon as you walk in from the garage. So I feel like they were like, hey, let's coerce you into coming into our hotel and staying because we have a pool. And they also have a topless pool. And next to the topless pool, they have a bar. But for obvious reasons, I could not film the topless pool or the bar. So here is the family-friendly pool, which is right behind the check-in. And to get into this pool, you have to be a guest, so you have to scan your room card. And for obvious reasons, if you're a guest at the Wynn or the Encore, you can use this pool as well because they are sister properties or owned by the same private owner. If you weren't impressed by the pool, then across the way from that is a cafe, but plot twist, it's only open for breakfast, so it opens up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know about you, but that's way too early for me. So instead, they have a lobby bar. Oh, and that's another thing too, they have a lot of bars here, which honestly, I don't blame them because there's nothing else here. They do have a sports book, but it was empty. I mean, if you're quiet enough, you can hear the lost souls crying about how much money they lost here. Listen. And if you don't want to mourn with the lost souls of all the lost money, then you can just mourn it out here at another bar that's located right behind the sportsbook for your convenience. But of course, if you want to be different, you can always eat here at the Sinatra. That costs more than my tuition. So you have that. Otherwise, here's another bar. The only thing that's different about this is it faces the pool, but the family pool, not the European pool. Sorry to disappoint. However, if you are a fan of poker, I do suggest this casino because 75% of this casino was strictly poker tables, whether they were empty or full or what. It literally took up half of the floor plan, and then they even had a poker room. But hey, look, here's a beach club, and guess what? It was closed because it opens up at 10:30, and it was so original, in fact, that they had to just call it Encore Beach Club. How original is that? I'm gonna be frank with you. Get it? Because they have a restaurant here called Sinatra. Anyways, I'm going to be frank with you and say if you ever get hungry here, just go to the Wynn or anywhere else because they have like 4 restaurants here. They had a Mexican restaurant you just saw. That was the poker room that they had because there's just not enough poker tables here. But next to the poker room is a hallway that leads you to the entrance of what? The beach club. That's literally called Beach Club. I will say, however, that their beach club does have heated water, so that's a plus, I guess. I will say, however, if you do plan on eating somewhere, I would recommend this spot right here. I do not know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to, but they had their stuff together. The food smelled amazing. The prices were reasonable for what it was, and they have a sign here that says proper attire required. Ladies, cover up. They do have a gift shop next to the rooms, and to get up to the rooms, you do need your room key present so the security guard can scan it. And this is another restaurant that was open, but it was only open for dinner. And then just like the Wynn, they have expensive stores with the security guards available, and they have stores from shoes, clothes, art, you name it, they have it. But I also did promise you guys 2 pools and 2 nightclubs. So here's the other one called XS. This one also has heated water in their pools. The Encore also has its own theater, so it does have a box office for shows that they hold there. But the theater is actually next to the Wynn. So the Wynn and the Encore are conjoined by one hallway, and the theater is in that hallway. Also, something to note is that they are renovating their theater right now, but they do have shows going on currently, and they are promoting future shows. So like I do know that Chris Rock is supposed to be performing here within the next couple of weeks. So if you're into that, I will provide the link below to the hotel. That way you could do your own research because they are offering a lot of different types of shows, and it's all within the span of like 3 months out that they're advertising this stuff. But the rest of this is just really fancy stores. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have been here and what your experience was like, or if you prefer the Wynn, and then be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!